welcome back. I am your ICT teacher. My name is Ismail Ibrahim. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the exam of 2020 variant 2 with the task number 4, which is mail merge. Welcome. Alright, first I open this exam. Please check it if you want to practice by yourself. It's S20, which is May-June variant 2 for paper 2, okay? So with the mail merge, usually they have two files. One file is a master file, like this one, and which is include your original email that you want to send for certain people, and your database that hold the contact of these people or their information, addresses, their title, and so on. So you need to program the master documents. In this case is J2020 book with adding this comma separated value to as a source of database to this file. So open these files, or using this file as they say, replace the text in chevron. Chevron is this sign or symbol. So you have to replace this one document with a merge field from data source as follows. So you have to bring it from this database file. So the first step is open the original master documents. Let's go. Where's my file? It's supposed to be here. This is the confidential file. Let me open this one book. It's going to open with Microsoft Word. And let's wait. You know the benefit of mail merge. Mail merge is save time for your company, so you will not redo, or you're going to send this mail. Let's say you have like 1,000 people. You don't need to write 1,000 email or just click and send thousands of email to these 1,000 people. No, you just only need to write one, like this one, the master documents. Only program it with the file from the database, so it can be sent automatically at one click to all of these recipients. So the first step, I open this master document. The second step is to add what's called, so go to mail merge. So we add the database mailing, go to select recipients, use exist list, and go to your exam. Bring the comma separated value. So this is my files, and which one? Let me check here. Is Tor, something Tors. So click on this one. All right, just press OK. So next, replace the text in the chevron with the master document from the merge field from data source as follows. So please change all of this one. TTL should be replaced to to title, last with last name, and so on. I think it's clear. So let me go to the document. Please do not leave any chevron and keep the punctuation and a space between them. So I'm going to select the first one. As you see here, the title and the last name in one row. So select the title, go to mailing here, and go to merge field, insert merge field. So TTL is title. Press space because you don't want to see Mr. Ahmed, for example, one word. There should be space. So this is why you should keep the space. So last should be last name. If you are not sure, please go back and check what they mean by each one. So add one is address one. All right, this is very important. Address one. What is address one? Title, first name, last name, street. Let me check here. I should check it here. So address one is a street. That's why I should read it. Address one is a street. You see that one is jump, so I'm going to enter because I have to save the original location. Address 2 or add 2 is town. So go to town. All right, enter. Post. What is post? or it was post is postcode. So please select it from chevron to chevron and insert postcode. Where is postcode? Yes, it's not alphabetic here. So now you have to read this one by the one because you don't want to ignore any chevron within this text. Sometimes I just put it in a very difficult place that you cannot catch by your eyes. So I'm moving. Hopefully there is no more. Okay. Third detail, holiday. Replace. Do not touch the comma. Go to holiday. There is no holiday. So let's see what they mean by holiday here. So holiday. Wait, where is holiday? Here. Holiday is store name. Okay, holiday is store name. Store name. Location should be okay. Location should be region. Location. Have to select it exactly. Should be region. Length in kilometer, as you see it, limbs kilometer. Length is distance. So select distance without touching the kilometer. Insert merge field, distance. So distance in km and number of people. Size. What is the size here? Size is people. So select it accurately here. Size is people. And date, leave. What is leave? Leave is departure. So select departure. Insert departure. Departure. What's departure? Leave is departure, yes. Alright. Departure. Duration. Maybe duration itself. And last one is cost. Is price, PP. Type. Select this one. Duration. Go to duration itself. You can see it here. Okay, cost. Something PP, cost or whatever. Price. So go to price, PP. Now I think I programmed everything correctly. Let me double check if there is any unprogrammed. So when you see double chevron here, that means it's programmed. That means this file automatically, after I finish and making the mail merge, it will look for the title for the first person. If it's is it a man, it's going to be Mr. His last name, his street, and so on automatically. Then it will go to the next one. It will send them all together. So each one will receive the message separately without any general message. So it's like for individual person, not for general people. All right. Okay, we finish up with this part. Make sure your spacing, punctuation, alignments in the original master document are maintained. I think I've done this one. Replace text candidate name with your name. Enter your name, center number, and candidate number in the header. First, you have to do this one. Go and find what is the candidate number. Candidate number, personal holiday advisor. So I should replace my name here. Like my name here. Maybe full name, because you don't want to mess with that one. Alright, go to the header and enter your name, center number, candidate number in the header of the document. Save and print your master documents. So this is my master documents. Go to the header, double click, write my name. I have issues with the keyboard here. Okay. Then you press tab, press the center number, in this case this one, and this is my candidate number 123. Alright, they say press save and print your master document. So you have to print it, select your printer and print it. Because I don't have printer here, I'm going to print it as a file so you can see how the file it look like in the original paper. So I will go my original exam here. You know that I don't have printers, that's why I'm doing what I do. because just want to show you how it look like. Okay, this is print number 4. Okay, I will really just print out 4 or P4 just to show you how the printout will be at the end of the exam. All right, I printed out my this master documents. Next step. All right, make sure you enter your name, center number, candidate number. All right, 26. Set an automated filter to select people who are booking for duration of 4 or less. That means I have to go to the duration field and only select people with 4 or less, maybe minutes, second, weeks, I don't know. So please, before I am doing this one, let me just do it. Okay, any filter, or they say select these people or select this kind of places, you have to go to the mailing and go to edit recipient list. So you see, this is all my recipient. I don't want to send the email to all these people. Let's say it is 100 people, only for people who have 4 or less hours. So I'm going to select field. Which one? They say duration. So look for duration. Duration. Again, what's the question? 4 or less. So is not equal to, is equal to or less than or equal. Less than or equal. Select 4 and press OK, and you will see the number of people has been decreased because only 4 people have this for duration. If I scroll back to duration, you see where is duration? Duration here is only 4 and less. All right, press OK. Next question. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated selection method. That how you selected these people. So please, you can go back to the same steps, and you see this is my filter. So the screenshot will be like this one. Press filter again, drag this down here, so the examiner will see your result and you will see your selection method. I think this is the best way. So go and print and screenshot this part from here up to here, so they can see the selection. Copy this one, and this is evidence number 9. And because I didn't work with this exam before, so I don't see. Okay, this is the evidence file. Should be ready from the beginning. I have to close everything. So in order to work with this evidence document, so select this evidence document. It should be ready, by the way. It should be ready. My name on it and everything, because we just solving mail merge here, and tab SD to Wolf, tab 1, 2, 3. All right, I will just scroll to evidence 9 because we're going to solve this one. Evidence 9. All right, the screenshot will be here. Control V. All right, this is my evidence for that one. Let's go on. Next step, merge and print the letter for the selected people only. I already made that one in the filter, so I don't need to do anything else. Okay, just merge and save it and close. Okay, print the result of the merge. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, countable. Oh, okay, we know that we have 4 people. Now print it and send it to these 4 people. So let's go. Move to finish and merge. Print documents. All right, just press all, because all of the page will. Again, because we don't have a printer, I'm going to select the PDF. I'm going to name it printout 5. I think it's printout 5. It should be, yes, printout 5. Save. Be cautious at the exam. You will not make a printout as a PDF. You're going to save, you print it on the real printer. Okay, the task is finished. Let me show you your printout. Like it look like a printed on the real paper. So this is your real paper that the examiner will see. This is the first one, as you see, all programmed. And my second printout is this one, the merge one. So because I have selected 4 people, look, this is the first one. First person is this person, Mr. Tom Zwazi, And here another one, Mr. Dudek. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each person got the message individually. It's just like the message intended only for that person. That's the beauty of mail mesh. It saves my time and it saves my format for all the organization, and it's good for branding and productivity of your company. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you next time.